Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I'm here with a new set of verses. We're going to do two verses today, 76 and 77 of Surah Al Baqarah. So let me start with the translation of them first, recitation of them first, and then we'll translate them twice, and then I'll recite those verses once again. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلا بعضهم إلى بعض قالوا أتحدثونهم بما فتح الله عليكم ليحاجوكم به عند ربكم أفلا تعقلون أولا يعلمون أن الله يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون صدق الله العظيم. I hope you understand some part of it. If you do, it would be brilliant. Do try to concentrate on what I am reading, even if I am doing it in the first instance. And obviously, the second time when I'll do it, you will know much more as to what these verses are saying. So let's start doing the translations. Va iza, va and iza when. Va iza laqu, and when they meet. Laqu is the same as mulaqat in Urdu. Va iza laqu, and when they meet. Allazina amanu. Allazina is a well-known word. Allazina, those who amanu, believe. وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and when they meet those who believe, قَالُوا آمَنَّا. قَالُوا, they say, آمَنَّا, noon, alif. We believe. That is, the verse is talking about the hypocrites. وَإِذَا خَلَا, and when they depart and meet, بَعْضُهُمْ, some of them, إِلَى بَعْض, with others. Qalu, they say, is it? Tuhaddithuna, you talk hum, with them. Atuhaddithunahum, is it that you talk with them? Bima, about that. Bi, about ma, that which. Fatahallahu, God has, fataha, opened. Allahu, God. Alaykum, upon you. That is, God has revealed to you. He has made you learn about it. Do you talk to them? Liyuhajjukum, so that they argue. So that yuhajju, they argue kum, with you, inda rabbikum, liyuhajjukum, so that they argue with you, bihi, with it, regarding it, bihi, regarding it, inda rabbikum, before your Lord. Afala, I know you know that, afala. So, is it not? Afala, so is it not taqilun, that you understand? Afala taqilun, so do you not understand? Avala, and is it not that ya'lamun, they know? Avala ya'lamun, is it that they don't know? Anna Allah, that God, ya'lamu, knows. Ma, what yusirruna, you hide. Wama, and that yu'linun, you do in public, in the open. Okay, let's do it again. Wa iza laqul lazina amanu. Va and iza, when laqul lazina, they meet those people, amanu, who believe. Qalu, they say, amanna, we believe. That is, we believe too. Waiza, and when, khala, they leave and are alone. Khala, they're alone. Ba'duhum, some of them, ila ba'd, with others. That is, they leave believers, Muslims, and come together and they are alone. Qalu, they say, atuhaddithunahum, is it tuhaddithunahum, that you talk to them, bima, about that which fatahallahu, God has made known to you, revealed upon you. God has opened alaykum, upon you. That is, He has revealed upon you. Least, so that you argue, so that they argue, kum, with you. Kum is you. Bihi, with it. Inda rabbikum, inda, before, rabbikum, your Lord. Afala, so is it that not? Taqilun, you understand? Afala taqilun, so don't you understand? Avala ya'lamun, and do they not understand? Do they not know? Annallaha, that God, ya'lamu, knows, ma yusirrun, what they hide, conceal, wa ma yu'linun, and what they do in the open. All right, let's do it now. I may not have translated it well, but we'll struggle and try to understand what these verses mean. After all, you're also now a part of the process that you'll also hopefully be able to do a part of your contribution. Okay, now I am going to recite it in Arabic once again, and let's see how much of the understanding we can make. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلا بعضهم إلى بعض قالوا أتحدثونهم بما فتح الله عليكم ليحاجوكم به عند ربكم أفلا تعقلون أولا يعلمون أن الله يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. And God said the truth. I hope you understood most part of what I had recited, and I hope that this whole process is helping you in coming closer to the understanding of the Quran. If the answer is yes, I'm delighted, and my investment has paid off. We say in Urdu, paise pure ho gaye. Well, my investment has paid off. See you until the next program, and that is inshallah tomorrow, hopefully. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.